Folks, we're inside the brand new 26 Cherokee Alpha Wolf 26 RL. From the name of it, 26, rear view window. You have the big sofa in the back with a 2-shelf table or end tables on the right side, left side with a 12 volt and the USB chargers as 110. So if you could sit for 26, they start giving you this nice ottoman so you could sit, relax, put your feet, enjoy your drink while you're watching the TV and the fireplace. Also, this is actually a storage box. You could store game board in this. And if you got extra family members, you could use it as a bench. You could sit there and have nice conversation with the people, watch the movie, whatever you could do with this box. That's a nice touch from the Cherokee Alpha Wolf. I really enjoy it, I like it. Now, this one, people they think it's a sofa. No, it's a recliner. And you have the middle console, and you could recline and enjoy the USB, voila, USB plug here, and enjoy the TV and fireplace, have some conversation here, you name it. Or if you have more people, raise this up, you have more people to sit. So this is a nice touch. Everything facing that TV and smart TV in the fireplace, but this what they like for the 26. They give me a nice pantry with shelf. I could add more stuff on it and hide it. And then there's safety latch is right here. So remember, safety latch. Kitchen, what I need more than this, counter space. Full counter space here, place for trash can. I come with a trash can, place for your trash bag. A lot of tinsel doors here, there. More space over here, shelf here. And don't worry, ladies, you got your pantry. Voila, big shelf with a big pantry. This is the counter where you put your espresso machine, coffee machine, margarita mixers. Storage here, storage there. Also, look how deep it is. They're giving you the nice 11 cubic for refrigerators, 12 volt reefer, and no worries because you have 200 watt solar on the roof. Nice LED light. By the way, this unit is a 2 AC, one in the living room, one in the bedroom. Nice touch for your stuff, for the eating bench. And again, I could change the bench this way or that way, or I just put 2 chairs just if it's me and my wife only. And then you have a nice seating here. Voila, no legs, nothing, no hurt. Walking through here, the hallway, I'm going to Jack and Joe bath. Jack and Joe bath give you a lot of room. Look how room it is. This is a true 60 by 80 queen bed with a lot of storage, AC over your head to cool it off. You can put a 32-inch TV on that wall, the bracket there, where to put the bracket, as well the plug. Nice touch over here. You could sit on it and tie your shoes and so on. And they give you storage here, storage there. Plugs for CPAP machine on both sides. Easy walkable. Now, if I close this door and I close that pocket door over here, now I have a full privacy in my bathroom and it's like a master suite. So I have a full privacy in my bathroom. I could take a shower, pick the clothes, dressed up, and nobody see anything. So that's a nice plus. Also, if you want to let some people use the bathroom, close this pocket door over here and nobody see anything. So that's another thing. Now guys, look over here. Beautiful medicine cabinet, nice sink, storage, big shelves, porcelain toilet, and don't forget the big corner showers, the roomy one. 26 they did in Cherokee Alpha Wolf, and all Cherokee they went to the drop frame. As you see here, they add this extra, they drop the frame so they could gain more storage places, because before customer used to complain, I cannot put my lounge chairs, I can't put my generators, I can't put my picnic tables. So now they're doing this so you could get more storage. You could see over there the 30 amp solar panel controller, nice power awning with LED light, nice reflection on the windows of the 26 RL Cherokee Alpha Wolf. In this particular floor plan, it comes with 2 power awning, one on the slide with LED light, one on the front, so it covers whole entire unit if you look at it that way. And then again, beautiful. There's the switch for the 2 power stabilizer jack in the rear. Is very simple and easy. Push the switch, you bring them down, one touch the ground, the other one keep going. And then when you decide, you very easy. Before on the 25 they used to be manual, on 26 is power. Class 3 hitch, receivers in the back for your electric bike, rack, tray, you name it. And then you have a beautiful backup camera prep, 50 amp service. By the way, 2 power awning, 2 AC, and all power stabilizer jack. Endless hot water heater, as usual, the Suburban endless hot water heater. And then I like this, you have a 1 light, you can see what is going on at night. So when you hook up your sewers, the black and the gray at night, you have a light. And if you get something came in your hand, there's a full outdoor shower with hot and cold, sandy flush, city water connection. All the hookup is one location, make it easy for you. And again, this is the other side of the pass-through storage. And with the drop, you could see how roomy it is. And this is the red switch, is the battery disconnect switch. I could disconnect the 12-volt system when I'm done camping and parking next to my house. Electric tank jack, 2 propane tank with a cover.